Okay, so in the Mixer and Live tab, we will go straight to Live Panel Designer. And clicking the Add Object button will bring up the object library. And here we can drag in shows that we've made, like so. Here, and you can drag them to a position that you want. We can also drag in our light sequences, like this. And here, there's the light sequences with all the cue points that we made before. So we'll just drag a few more of those in. And as you can see, we can still just arrange them however we like. Now each of these is a button that we can use to trigger either the show or the sequence or whatever, but in the designer tool we will just drag them around. You can use that button to add a background image if you have one that you want to order your live panel. And here we have the auto arrange tool, and this you can see will automatically arrange them from left to right, or we can use this grid button here to kind of have a little grid for when we're dragging them around, so that will make them a bit tidier. And you can see if you hover over that bottom right corner, you will be able to change the shape of the buttons so that they can fit however you like. And we have the dock and undock buttons. So that will open up the live panel into a new window, and then this, will stay on top no matter what tab you're in. So you can always have your live panel there ready to access. You can dock it again by pushing the dock button. And we can bring up object properties still from here. So there you can, change the name, or choose to loop your effect or your show. And if you're not in design mode, so we'll push that button. Yeah, and when you click on them, they will begin to play when they're yellow. It's just as simple as that. We can also, when we're in this object properties, we can put in some commands. So for example, stop all objects. This will mean that when we start a certain button, all of the other shows or sequences will then stop. So as we can see here, when we start that one, the other ones that we're running will now stop. If you tick the box to enable MIDI control, then hold down the selected MIDI key while pressing OK, then the MIDI device is now triggered so that we can switch this button on or off. You can also input a keyboard shortcut to cue the button as well.